Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to teach you how to remove the background of any image without installing any application like Photoshop or CorelDRAW. You just need a internet connection and your PC or your phone. It will work on both PC and phones, smartphones. You just need your phone or your PC, just like that, and you are good to go. Without wasting my time, let's start. So first of all, I will open the browser here. I'll open our browser here. I'm using Firefox. You can use any browser for this trick, and you go to the search bar and you type in remove background, remove.bg, and here we go. Ours is here, so we tap on enter and it opens here. Now it will send us to the website, and this is the website we are going to use, or this is the website that is going to do the magic for us. You come to here, this area where there is description that upload your image here. This is a button. You click on it and it will send you straight to your file explorer, and you find the image that you want to remove, the background, and when it's on phone the same way, it will go to your system so that you find the image. So this is the image we want to use, and either you click on it once and you come down here and click on open, or you just double click on it and it will send you back to the website, and here we go. Just very simple. The background is gone and everything is done. So here, after you are done with removing the background, you can download it here. You have two options here. The first one is download and the second one is download HD. And then the download HD is the high quality, but you have to subscribe, or you have to pay for it. You have to pay for this service before you can be able to download the high quality over here. So you need to sign up, and when you are already having the account, you just log in here. You have to get some credit here before you can subscribe, or before you can download the image over here. So for the purpose of this video, we are using this first one, which is the first download, and you click on it and you see a window like this. Then you click on OK, and here we go. It has finished downloading. You click on this and you see your download here. You click on it and it opens like this. This is the image we removed the background from. So it's very simple and easy. You just need your internet connection and your browser, and you are good to go. So this image will be saved in PNG form, which means that the background will be transparent. So wherever you use it, you wouldn't see any background. It's only this image that you will see. I will leave the description, the link to this website and the description section below. And I think that's all for now. So please subscribe to the channel, and as well hit the notification bell so that when we upload new video, you'll be the first person to know. Whatever comment you have, share it down there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again, bye.